choose to be kind.
Hi, it's Tiana. Thanks for joining for today's Be Kind Craftisode. We have Hope here with us, and she comes with over 45 pieces with 4 unique DIY activities. Let's see what we have. We have DIY matching outfits for Hope and her puppy, DIY hairbands for you and Hope, DIY pouches for you and Hope to match, and a pet cushion for her puppy. Here's our DIY pet cushion. So it comes with these 2 fabrics, the stuffing, these stickers so you can put the name of your pet on the cushion, and you also get to name your pet on the adoption certificate. So for the cushion, we're going to tie the ends together. This may take some time, and ask for help if you need it, where we're going to grab 2 of the ends and tie 2 knots. So I'm going to tie just 1 knot first and then tie the second knot. Just like that, and just go all the way around, and I'm going to do about half of it before I add in the stuffing. So I've made a little more than half of my cushion by tying the ends together, and now I'm going to add in the stuffing. I'm going to push it all the way to the edge and then keep tying the strings. There, I finished tying everything. Here's what the cushion looks like. And I'm gonna add on the stickers. I think I'll do the dog bone. What do you think, little pup? Aw, that looks so cute. Thanks for joining for today's Be Kind Craftisode. And remember, always choose to be kind.